Right, well, this is a very important picture because it was taken by Igor Sikorsky, the airplane maker and the helicopter maker. So this is the spot. And in fact, I was here yesterday, and for some reason I did not recognize this as the spot. Right now, as you see, it's all boarded up. And it's probably falling down. That's why they boarded this up. They have not done any work at all on the Feodorovsky little town, unfortunately. And again, in my one of my pictures on the Facebook page, I think I mentioned that the guard yesterday let me inside there. This is not open to the public through that gate. And I saw the rest of the buildings that were part of the infirmary complex that belonged to Maria Anastasia. And he told me that they are getting this ready as headquarters, I guess as local St. Petersburg headquarters for the Metropolitan of Moscow. No, I'm sorry, Kirill. Patriarch Kirill, I'm sorry. But I'll believe it when I see it, basically, because this is what it looked like 11 years ago in 2005, and this is what it still looks like, maybe even a little worse. So again, this picture belongs to Igor Sikorsky Jr., and it's part of their family picture collection. When I met him, I asked him if I could use it for the website. He said I could. We strongly believe that his father took it, because who else? And this is the little pair with Mama, of course, passing by in the carriage by their infirmary. This is the same entryway where Maria is posing in the famous picture, where she's posing with some of the soldiers. So I don't know why, but I didn't recognize it yesterday. So there you have it.